So now in this video we're going to look at how you can use LEDs to get a reference voltage. So I'm actually refilming this, but I accidentally forgot to turn the power on when I was last filming this. And this power supply actually provides a slight negative voltage when it is off. Something to be aware of if you're interested in this power supply. But in any case, there we go. We got about 5 volts at the supply. So we have a couple series LEDs, currents going through the resistor, that LED, and that LED. So each LED is dropping about 2 volts, which means it builds up about 2 volts across it pretty well right there. So if you need 2 volts at a circuit, you know, for a signal to compare with other voltages or something to see which is higher or lower, you can do that. Now we got the other resistor there. So there's 2 of them in series now, so there's a total of 4 volts. So if you need 4 volts, you can take 2 series. And then this 100 ohm resistor, we got about a volt across it. So there's about 10 milliamps of current going through this circuit. And for those of you that like schematics, here's the diagram for the last circuit that I did. So we had a couple of red LEDs in series. We measured across one of them, we'll get 2 volts. In relationship to ground across 2 of them, we'll get 4 volts across it, which leaves 1 volt across the 100 ohm resistor to get us 10 milliamps of current flowing through the circuit. So in any case, this is a really easy way that we can get a 2 volt reference voltage and 4 volt reference voltage. And all that means is that we have other circuitry that looks at that voltage and compares whether a different voltage is higher or lower than that, and maybe some other uses. But that's the main thing. It's just looking at that voltage. If it draws current out of there, it's going to mess things up. You don't want to do that. You just want to look at the voltages, but you can do that. So in any case, again, 10 ohm resistor, 1 volt across it, you get about 0.1 amps of current flowing through it, which is not going to get very warm when you calculate the wattage.